The entire Mahabharata is an account of miracles, secrets, boons and curses. Although hundreds of curses and boons will be found in Mahabharata, but here we will tell only about some major curses, which have been very popular. You will be surprised to know that if these curses were not there, then the outcome of the war of Mahabharata and the turning point of Indian history would have been different. You can consider this. Dayu cursed the Vasus. Once a Vasu named Dayu kidnapped Vasistha Rishi's Kamdhenu. With this, the Vasistha sage told Dayu that such things are done by humans, that's why you 8 Vasus become human beings. One of those 8 Vasus was Bhishma. Ganga threw 7 of the 8 Vasus into the water, but Bhishma was saved because of Shantanu's words. Bhishma had taken an oath to remain celibate. Amba cursed Bhishma. When Satyavati Shantanu's son Vichitravirya was young, Bhishma forcibly abducted 3 daughters of Kashiraj and married them to Vichitravirya. But later left the elder princess Amba. Amba was very moved and cursed Bhishma that I will be the cause of your death. Amba gave up her life and was born as Shikhandi and became the cause of Bhishma's death in the battle. The sage cursed Pandu. Once King Pandu, the husband of Kunti and Madri, was hunting one in the illusion of being an antelope. He shot an arrow which went to the sage kingdom who was mating with his wife. Those sages curse Pandu while dying that you too will die like me when you are Mathunrat Karna got cursed. Parshuram had taken an oath that he would teach the initiation of Brahmastra only to Brahmins. Karna wanted to learn this, so he reached Parshuram and told himself to be the son of a Brahman and learned this knowledge from him. When Parshuram came to know that Karna was not a Brahman son, so he cursed Karna that whenever you need this knowledge the most, only then you will forget it. Arjun got cursed. Once Arjuna was in Indra Sabha. Fascinated by the beauty of Arjuna, an Apsara named Urvashi made courtship to him. But Arjuna turned down this request considering her like a mother. Then Urvashi got angry and cursed Arjuna to be impotent for 1 year. Arjuna accepted to be cursed by Urvashi but did not break his restraint. Duryodhan got cursed. Once Marharishi Maitreya came to Hastinapur. After rust, Dhritarashtra asked, are the 5 Pandavas in the Lord's forest efficiently? Marharishi said, they are well, but I heard that your sons defeated the Pandavas in gambling and sent them to the forest. Having said this, he turned back and said to Duryodhan, do you know how brave and powerful the Pandavas are? Hearing the words of Marharishi, Duryodhan in anger tapped his thigh with his hand. Seeing this arrogance of Duryodhan, Marharishi got angry and he said, you despise me, cannot listen to me peacefully. You will die because of the breaking of the same thigh on which you are taunting. The Brahman cursed Karna. Another curse was given to Karna by Brahman. One day Karna was practicing to shoot a slang. Only then did he hear the sound of creature walking through the bushes. Then he understood that there could be a violent creature which can become a danger to the humans living here, so they shot the arrow without investigating. The arrow did not hit any violent creature but a calf, due to which it died. The owner of that calf was a Brahman, who became sad seeing all this and in anger gave a curse to Karna. The Brahman cursed Karna and said that just as you have killed the calf of a helpless cow, in the same way you will also die in a helpless condition. At the crucial moment of death you will feel helpless. Karna apologizes to the Brahman but he does not forgive him. The Brahman says that if he wants forgiveness, he has to first revive my cow's calf. But it is not in anyone's power to do so. Curse of the destruction of Sri Krishna dynasty. After the Mahabharata war, Lord Krishna went to Gandhari to console him. On seeing Lord Krishna, Gandhari got angry and cursed him that the way my husband's sons have been destroyed because of you, in the same way your lineage will also perish because of killing each other. Shri Krishna cursed Ashwatthama. In the war of Mahabharata, Ashwatthama had left the Brahmastra, due to which lakhs of people were killed. Due to this act of Ashwatthama, Shri Krishna got angry and cursed that you will wander in the deserted places for a long time carrying the sin of so many slaughters. The foul smell of blood will always be emanating from your body. You will be suffering from many diseases. Curse on King Parikshit. Once King Parikshit went to the forest for hunting. Distraught with wild thirst, he reached the hermitage of Sage Shamik. Sage Shamik was sitting absorbed in Brahma meditation. King Parikshit asked him for water, but Shamik Rishi did not answer anything due to being meditative. He got very angry with the sage. Then he picked up a dead snake lying nearby with the tip of his bow and put it around the sage's neck and returned to his city. Shamik Rishi's son Ringi Rishi arrived. When he came to know about his father's insult, he immediately cursed King Parikshit by taking water from Kamandal in his Anjali and enchanting it with mantras that you will be bitten by Takshak snake on the 7th day from today. So these were the 10 major curses of Mahabharata. What we have told you. Friends, how did you like this presentation? Please do express your views in the comment box. If you like the video, then please like the video and share it with your friends or relatives. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We will continue to bring such Vedanta in front of you. Till then, Om Tattva Satya.